Let me start with a simple question. When was the last time you tried something for the first time? Not something you were already good at, not something you're safe, but something that actually made you uncomfortable. For me, discomfort happens almost every day. I play games regularly, I play basketball regularly, and if you've ever tried a new game or played against someone better than you on the court, you know the feeling. You lose, you get outplayed, you make mistakes, sometimes you even embarrass yourself. And yet, we keep playing. Why? Because deep down, we understand something powerful. Growth never happens inside your comfort zone. When I try a new game, I'm terrible at first. I don't know the mechanics. I don't know the strategy. I lose repeatedly, but each loss teaches me something. I adapt, I improve, I think differently. Basketball is the same. The first time I tried a new move, it failed. The first time I guarded a stronger opponent, I struggled. But over time, something changed. Not just my skills, but my mindset. I stopped being afraid of looking bad. And that shift is everything. Because most people don't avoid new things because they're incapable. They avoid them because they're afraid of failing, of judgment, of not being good enough. But here's the truth, the only way to become good at something is to first be willing to be bad at it. Trying new things builds resilience. In games, strategies change you or adjust you lose. In basketball, every opponent is different. You adapt or you fall behind. That constant adjustment trains your brain to handle uncertainty. In life is full of uncertainty. New environments, new responsibilities, new expectations, the world changes fast. The students who thrive are not necessarily the most intelligent. They are the most adaptable. And adaptability comes from experience, not comfort, not routine, experience. But there's something even deeper. Trying new things helps you discover who you are. What if you never tried that sport? What if you never tried that interest? What if you never step outside your usual routine? You might miss discovering a talent, a passion, a strength you didn't know you had. We often wait to find ourselves, but we don't find ourselves by staying the same. We find ourselves by exploring. So here's my challenge to you. This week, choose discomfort. Try something new, not because you're guaranteed success, but because you're guaranteed growth. Play a different game, join a different activity, speak up when you normally stay silent. Take a risk that stretches you. You might fail, but you will also expand, and in the end, the biggest risk isn't failure, it's staying comfortable forever. Thank you.